Last born for Munya Sini.
Say no to me then they say na be ferry kakra but I ferry. Edu no fear.
Na me teacher.
No teacher ni.
I can't be ferrying and yeah, I'm a teacher. I was my trained teacher.
Teacher last born dey be pa na no mambre.
La ila la. What's it?
Now you teaching.
Yeah, I've taught for
Onua
5 years.
95.1.
And the time person in try caning.
David, I do caning assembly. I mean, I'm calling choose me.
I did yeah.
No, because I will make you laugh, but I'll ship you.
Okay. What crock on back?
Yeah, me sure now. Yeah, me and my back crock.
Oh.
So they will like it.
Okay.
And yeah, so there's a reason for your being shipping the name here, pal. And the girls will say, don't hold my dress, don't hold it. I won't hold it. To me, the cane forward, just a name from an engineer. Or when I say, you hold me. When I well, the shit never ship.
In Tienza, we introduce cane in embrace system.
Nam from Common Casa and enough a headline.
Yeah, headline.
Now, benefits a young man, me, decision maker. Send your boy, your boy, young with the your boy, empire, straight, disciplined people. Now, you know, near my tradition, of course, now must say, don't touch a child. Don't touch your mom.
Recently, one said, Cherry about Caribbean or film.
I know born so the dinner born.
Abano.
Or the boat channel tobacco or film, and I call be a nanya ban the coon. You shouldn't don't judge cases just like that. Maybe now there's a problem. Now, if you're a teacher and you're also caning to, and you say, Obia Keke, you are a teacher, you should know the children. Some of them are really stubborn head. Some of them are like male goats. Stubborn, appointing men, or we are the dang or stubborn. And you know, so people like that, you go on extensive measure in discipline them. But the Bible said that you should not abandon this apakola no any Bible na kind. So what kind of verse? And you know, if the God said we should discipline the child, why we say we shouldn't?
Onua FM 95.1.
Okay, allow beating na and I say be a cranny free man can say normal, but we say my nyana wakoye. Into be a baby who so in a also never.
I send they say there's some must remember so they encouraged. Discipline them with a
Remember, such an evil me will be a Mr. Promise man on some bow the woman and Anna, and then I would never be that.
You me and I said,
Miss Shassam was my translator or Bome Papa.
Now, too, sir.
There be man Wamakini. Wamakini. I
don't know Wamakini. But which one in
mature in Miss Adamson Commando.
And now near zero.
No, or circle me, you just engineer thing. And our bomb so be a phobia, or boom machine in Abia, and my son.
Maybe I now want to question us. You know, there should be reasons for caning or shipping.
Exactly, meaning for
why exams now in you should rather be finding out why is that so. No, I don't think you should be caning somebody. Say, but in our time they were doing even mental. One time 17 times 0. Now I got 17. It was, I think it was the era. It was the times and seasons. You know,
but about crowd, but a crowd before saw about bono, and it determine the kind of person you are. Yeah,
some of them are a bit aggressive with it, but like I said, if you go to where I taught, they will tell you that Mr. Asante, Mr. Asante, you're a nice person. Because who soon I make crow, obviously. So the next day, you don't tend to hate me, you tend to like me rather, and that's all I wanted.
No, be also want to open my same thing. That's right. But whereby I will buy a companion, you said they do good sauce. Now, Bomia.
Where then I know.
So, teacher, no more. Or the party as soon as or not to be made, sending it to be
95.1.